Valerie with another video. How you doing? So today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I whiten my teeth. See? How I whiten my teeth. So many of you have commented before, hey Valerie, you have such white teeth, blah, blah, blah. People often comment to me in person about my teeth being so white, especially when they see me guzzling coffee constantly. I average about 4 cups of coffee a day, every single day, 7 days a week. If it's a stressful day, it can definitely be much more than that. So having said all of that, I still manage to keep my teeth fairly white, and I do it yourself. I do it all myself. And I use all natural products that you can find in your pantry. So some of my supplies I actually have gotten from Amazon, but the actual mixture I use to whiten my teeth is just all natural, straight from nature. So I'm going to actually be whitening my teeth today, and you guys will see the before and after. So this is the before. And to me, they're kind of getting on the toward the more yellowish side than what I'm comfortable with. I like my teeth to be more like on the white side. That's why I purposely wore these earrings today, so that you can kind of see really well the before and after. So I'll go ahead and show you a good before. See? And then when I'm all done, you'll see the after. So really quickly, I'm going to tell you what I'm going to be using as far as hardware to whiten my teeth. And again, this all came from Amazon. I have a little plastic silicone, it's not plastic, it's silicone, a little silicone teeth mold. And then I have here a little handheld UV light little instrument off of Amazon. Everything's super, super cheap, super easy to get. Everything's next day delivery. So if you want your teeth super white by tomorrow, hop on Amazon, order this stuff, have it tomorrow, and do it yourself. Now, as far as the mixture, I'm going to be just using 2 things, lemon juice and baking soda. That's it, lemon juice and baking soda. Now, as far as my lemon juice, when I do this, I never use lemon juice concentrate out of the bottle. I always buy fresh lemons because I feel like it's the strongest, type of lemon. And plus the store near me, 6 lemons for $1.50, you can't beat it. So I get a fresh lemon, I cut it, and I squeeze both sides, all the juice out. And then I mix in slowly the baking soda until it forms a thick paste, almost like the consistency of toothpaste. And then I'm gonna spread it inside thoroughly, top and bottom of my teeth mold. And then I will go ahead and do the process. And this is the process that I use. I will do first round, I coat top and bottom, put it in my teeth. Then I lay on my back and I insert the UV light into my mouth, and I set a timer for 8 minutes. This stays on for 8 full minutes. Then I will spit out the mixture, get a microfiber towel, and just polish my teeth really nicely. Polish it, polish it, polish it. Then I recoat the mouth, the teeth, this thing again. And then I do it another 8 minutes with the light. Same process. After 8 minutes, I spit it out, take the microfiber cloth, and then, polish my teeth. Then the last round is 4 minutes. Put more mixture in here, 4 minutes. Then that's it. So I'm going to go ahead and do all of that, and then I'm going to show you the after. So again, this is my before. See, compared to my earrings, you kind of see it's kind of on the yellower side. You can see that, right? So hopefully the goal is when I'm done, it's going to be closer to the white side. Now, I'm not saying I'm going to get my teeth this white. Of course not, but you'll see the difference for sure. All right, then. I know I babbled. So I'm going to go get started. All right. So I've completed my mixture of lemon juice and baking soda. And I should note that the lemon juice is the bleaching agent. So if you've ever squeezed lemon into into black tea, you'll notice that it actually turns the tea almost clear. And that's because lemon juice is a bleaching agent. And what the baking soda does is it acts as a buffer to protect the enamel on your teeth from the acid. So the acid from the lemon juice. So this is what the consistency looks like. I don't know if you can really see it. I don't know, but see, it's almost like a runny toothpaste. A very runny toothpaste. Gosh, I don't really know how to show you without spilling this everywhere. So yeah, that's what mine looks like. I like to use lemons at room temperature. Otherwise, if you take it right out of the refrigerator, it's gonna, when you put it on your teeth, it's gonna be like, oh, you know, like that really super cold feeling. So again, I use lemons that have been sitting out overnight. Last thing, don't be afraid to get pulp into the mixture. So mine has lemon pulp, right, you know, mixed all in. Doesn't matter, it's fine. All right, so let me go ahead and show you what it looks like when I put it into the, you know, into the teeth. Piece of silicone. And then I'm gonna go ahead and start my process. 8 minutes, 8 minutes, 4 minutes. Then I'll come back and show you the after. All right, so this is my mouth guard. Go ahead. You have to keep stirring it because sometimes the baking soda has a tendency to drop down to the bottom. You'll see I'm just gonna literally just put it right in there. So I'm just literally just putting it right into the mouth guard to coat my teeth. All right, so I'm done whitening my teeth, y'all. And I did the 2 rounds of 8 minutes and then the 1 round of 4 minutes. And I'm very satisfied with the result. I think they turned out pretty good. So here's another side note, something I didn't mention before. So whenever you do your teeth whitening, and oh, by the way, you're not supposed to do it more often than once a month, right? So just once a month. Otherwise, you can do damage to the enamel. But so you can do it for 5 days in a row for 1 week a month. So on that first day is when you do the 8 minutes, 8 minutes, 4 minutes, and then the next, you know, 3 to 4 days, you just do it for about 4 minutes each time, or until, you know, 3 to 4 days, or until you are satisfied that you've achieved your level of whiteness on your teeth. So I'm going to be repeating this again tomorrow, which is Saturday, then Sunday, then Monday, then Tuesday. But again, only in intervals of 4 minutes. And then I'm not going to do it again until the following month. But the more you do it, month after month, the whiter and whiter and whiter your teeth are going to get. So to be completely honest, I haven't, whitened my teeth in a long time. I haven't been keeping up with it every month. But I think I'm going to try to, you know, do that and, you know, get my teeth back up to where they were maybe about a year ago. But anywho, now to the results. So, yeah, I don't know. I can definitely see. You guys can see, right? The difference? It's amazing. So now go ahead and kind of see, you know, compared to my earring. I say I went up 2.5 shades, just like that, 2.5 shades. And I'll, you know, do a side-by-side before and after photo for you guys. That way you can have a side-by-side comparison. But anyways, please comment. What do you think? Can you see the results before, after? What do you think, guys? You like what you see? But yeah, I'm very satisfied. I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. All right, well anyways, if you have any questions about the do-it-yourself teeth whitening, please don't hesitate. Leave a comment, ask a question, and I'll be glad to get back to you. And as always, thank you for watching.